Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 66 of 3 words and expressions of 100 day. Review first. 觉得 feel, think. 健康 health. 意见 opinion. 春节 Chinese New Year. 儿童 children. 庆祝 celebrate. Now follow me to learn 餐厅点菜喝茶 in Chinese 餐厅餐厅 dining room餐厅餐厅 dining room厅餐厅 dining room Next one 点菜点菜 means order dishes Please order for him 为他点菜点 order 菜 dishes order dishes 点菜 Third one for today 喝茶喝茶 Have some tea喝 means drink茶 tea I like coffee but I prefer tea 我喜欢喝咖啡但更喜欢喝茶喝口字旁日草字头茶喝茶餐厅餐厅餐厅 dining room 点菜点菜 点菜 order dishes. 喝茶喝茶喝茶 have some tea. Okay, that's all for today. Let me know what you want to add in your DIY Chinese dictionary in the comment below. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.